young people and 10 or 24 years. Now this is a group of people, pikinini na adult, but it talks a time of transition from childhood to adulthood. So changes yang bisa come up. Time you go to next age and change yang come up. So by me look behind in this group or call it adolescents. Okay, this group by looking mo sa series is come up fast threat to lifelong all. Only sa experimenting or good plan and non good. So it's a behavioral experimentation and risk taking of this all age group. Okay, adolescents varies widely. Age one kind, we talk 10 to 19, some 10, some 11. Marital status too different. Some married 18 years, some married 15 years. Okay, class one kind too. Some all area profile new work, some no gata. You got all different all working class, this age group. Okay, region too, all come all different all places. Culture too, no one kind. Only got all different culture. Globally, more than 1.2 billion people are adolescents. 85% of adolescents are living in developing nations. So PNG developing nations. Estimated 32% of PNG's population are adolescents. So, about the adolescents. Child Health Plan and Strategic Implementation Plan 2009 to 2020, NDOH na PNG, and talk about the healthy adolescents. And we talk about healthy adolescents. Only la make it 1 plus something or by asking past them. Am I right by me make it this la? Am I right by me take part of this la? Something. Okay. Only sa making more safe choices. Only sa taking risk. Behavior belong by only got all good behavior passing. Only no sa sumuk, only no sa kisimbia. Okay, sexual activity side, all bating pastor na make it this la. Kai tu only like si kai to. Only the adolescents all but this la kai no good plan lo you make it see. Relationship too all ba. Kati nice la relationship Decisions made in adolescence can affect health in later life. So online incident tonight, you stop this age group. Decision you stop plan blow you. You like taking risk long or no that. You last a long time and you have to make it choice blow you. Okay, sa no papo ni dini. 50% of population are children and a large percentage of these are adolescents. So 50% all beginning it's like 50% them big lang all adolescents. 10% of school leavers each year will go on to further education or employment. So you need to look at today, all finish school, sampla, few tax all bapainin. Continue narapla bago be. 90% of adolescents will be unemployed. So all beginning you start this age group, you must think emotion. All get up finding work.